In primetime news tonight, DPP says there may be possible administrative breaches and conduct which may be criminal in the matter involving former Minister of Education Will Reid, the Education Ministry and Caribbean Maritime University. Education Ministry refutes claim of shredding CMU documents. And one Don gang case off to a rocky start.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening we have the top business stories of the day and Milton Walker has our preview. Milton?
Yes, Janella, the BOJ intervened again today in the foreign exchange market. We'll tell you about that in the business day.
Okay, good. And from Milton we go to Karen, who has the preview of sports. Karen?
Thank you very much, Herman. Well, the world's #1 shooter was again on form today as she led the Sunshine Girls fighting for some pride to a big win at the INF World Cup. We'll tell you all about it later.
Okay,
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, we will give you the question in a few minutes.
Yes.
But the Primetime News package continues after this break. Please stay with us.
News headlines brought to you by